Hey, you two, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox these. This is the PCA skincare products. So yeah, let me see what my wife got this time around. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it. This one is the pore refining treatment. It's 2.1 ounce. So make sure you take out the foil. So yeah, I'm not sure why she keep on purchasing this. It's like a kind of waste of money. She used so many products and she's still having some kind of breakout. This one is the purifying mask. And again, it's 2.1 ounce. And that's it. Wow. Here are the prices. $62 each bottle. Minus 25% discount, which is take away $31. Still is $93, but no tax and free shipping. Wow. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always. Peace.